Introducing Zenwana. This is an AI-powered financial advisor that helps users reach their financial literacy and financial goals efficiently. Hi, I am Rachit Bhantia.
Hi, I am Kushal Bucha. We are from the Heritage School, Karungrampura. Today I will show you the PPT of our app and my friend will show you the live demo. So here's the introduction of Zenwana. Zenwana is an innovative AI-powered personal financial app designed to empower individuals to manage their finances and goals. This is the overview of our website. When you open our website, you will see this interface. Introduction to our app. Zenwana functions as a virtual financial advisor offering tailored financial plans without any cost. Target audience. Primarily aimed to Indian middle class and lower middle class families. Our mission is to democratize financial literacy and freedom, providing all the Indians with the knowledge and tools required. This is all that we need in our app. Your name, your date of birth, your monthly income, your current net worth, your monthly expenses, financial goals, risk tolerance, current investments, number of dependents, and total outstanding debts. Benefits of Zenwana. Goal action plan generator, budget analysis optimization, smart tax saver and personalized analysis, unlimited AI chat to help you manage your money better. Features of Zenwana. Personalized financial plan, custom financial plan based on your income, expenses and goals. Help balancing your savings, spending and investing smartly. Unlimited AI chat assistant. Ask any questions regarding to finance, it will help you. Get instantly all the answers. Comprehensive financial summaries. Clean dashboard shows where your money goes. Track saving, spending, debt and goals in real time. Smart tax saving. AI identifies personalized tax saving option, recommended deduction, exemptions and smart investments. Designed for everyone. Freely accessible and to the people who can't afford human financial advisors. Conclusion. Zenwana is not just an app, it's a mission to uplift every Indian's financial goals and understanding. Thank you.
Now, I will continue with the live demo of my website, Zenwana. Yeah. So this is the interface that you will get when you click on the Zenwana domain. Yeah. So this is Zenwana, you can see. Now, to get started, now you need to click on the get started button over here and you need to enter your details. So now I know date of birth. So yeah, I have filled all the data over here. Then you need to click on the next button over here. Then you need to enter your average monthly income and your current net worth. Yes, so I've entered the data over here. Now you need to click on next button over here and you need to enter all the expenses that you are paying for housing, fooding, transportation, utilities, entertainment, healthcare, personal care, education, debt payment and miscellaneous. Yes, so I've entered the data over here. You can see in each category you have to enter the specific amount that you are spending on the respected heading. So for example, housing 12,000 and like this I've entered all the data. Then you need to click on the next button over here. And then you need to enter your financial goals, whatever you want to achieve. We can add multiple goals over here, but for in this video, we will add only one goal. Enter the goal over here. You can see I've entered the goal. You can add multiple goals as I said, but for this video we are adding only one goal. And then you need to click on the next button over here. And then you need to add a little bit more about you. For example, risk tolerance, there are 3 options. And then you need to describe your current investments, number of dependents and the total outstanding debt that you have. Process. Okay. Yes, so I've entered all the data over here. You can see risk tolerance, current investment type which is stocks, gold and silver, number of dependents and the total outstanding debt. And then you need to hit on the complete button over here. And then this will take you to the dashboard of Zenwana. You can see here is a quiet greeting. And then here you will see your net worth, your monthly income, monthly expenses, your monthly savings rate and the risk tolerance that you have set. Then now you will see your goal process. So my goal was to buy a house. So this is the target amount that I need to buy this house, and till the date I have saved this much amount. So this feature, which is the generate action plan, when you will click over here, this will generate a personalized action plan based on your data to help you achieve this goal more efficiently and effectively. This is a very helpful process. Yeah, so here it is generated the data, and you can see over here I've clicked on generate action plan, and this is what it gave me. Here you can see it will give you a current action plan based on your information that you have entered, personalized investment strategy, where should you allocate your assets, which equity mutual funds you should invest based on the risk tolerance that you have entered over here. You can see it will say you where should you invest, for how much duration. Yeah, and this is saying you how to bridge the gap between your savings. You can see over here how can you reduce your miscellaneous expenses and everything over here, and this is the final conclusion that gives you over here. Then the next thing you see is the general suggestions. This will give you general suggestions based on everyone's data entered in Zinvana. These are the common suggestions, and then here you will see budget analysis and optimization button. If you click on this, this will generate a fully analyzed information of your budget, and this will give you a comprehensive comprehensive budget. It will state where are you spending and how can you improve your savings, how can you save more, where should you invest, you should invest more in this particular thing, like that. It will give you a fully comprehensive data. Here it is ready. So you can see as your financial advisor Zinvana and the current date over here. You can see this is everything. It is saying that you need to be more cost efficient in entertainments, miscellaneous, you to reduce miscellaneous expenses, and everything it is staying over here. And this will also give you the next step to achieve your financial freedom more efficiently and effectively. Now, introduce a feature which is tax saver over here. When you click on this, now you need to enter the annual salary income. And then you need to enter the annual income from other sources, total investment under section 80C, and you can see if you have any, you need to enter anything. If you don't have the investment under these, you don't enter it. So yeah, I'm filling the data over here now. Yeah, so I've entered all the data over here. You can see you need to click on the data, and then you need to click on calculate and analyze tax. Now, this feature is tax regime comparison, where you can see if you file your taxes according to the old regime, you need to pay 92,768 rupees of tax and 49,608 rupees of tax under the new regime. So according to this, you will save 43,160 rupees if you apply for new regime for the tax, which is more better for you. And now Zinvana's AI advice. Yeah. So you will see tax regime analysis, which is best for you, which tax slab you are currently, and it will say everything that from where you can save you more taxes. So actionable advice, it will give you all over advice based on your personal data that you have entered in Zinvana. Yeah. So now introducing to the next feature, which is AI chat. So AI chat is an unlimited advice where you can type over here any questions that you want, unlimited questions, and this will generate answers based on the data that you have entered. So this will give you a personalized tailored experience over here. So for example, I am entering over here, so that I want to buy a house. So for income to buy a house. Over here, and I have sent the data to this question to the Zinvana AI. Now this will analyze all the data that you have given and give you a personalized tailored answer. Yeah, so it will generate the data over here, and yeah, you will get a full plan. Yeah, it is here. So monthly income, total monthly expenses, housing target, and everything. It will give you the strategies to generate more income. Yeah, for my goal. As I have asked the question, how can I generate more income to buy a house? Yeah, this is giving me the personalized advice. How can I generate more income to achieve my goal more efficiently? Yeah, so it is over here. You can see it will give you proper strategies, proper plan, and everything. Yeah, and you can ask unlimited questions that you want. Any questions you want, just type it over here. Click on the send button over here, and this will send the query to our AI, Zinvana AI, and it will analyze your question, and it will take in consideration all the data that you have entered and answer you according to your personalized data. So this is a very bonus feature to help Indian middle class and lower middle class. Thank you. This is my project Zinvana.